What's good, my people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I need to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm tired of saying it. I'm really tired of saying it. Let's get straight into this one. So I've got a tracksuit. It is a Nike Swoosh tracksuit. I'll explain those blue clips after. So I love this color, man. This khaki green type of color is me. This is a bit of me. So we've got the poly, very lightweight poly. I'll be honest, it's very thin. It's good for the summer. So on the side we've got the embroidery. Love a bit of embroidery. Nike and the Swoosh name and logo are trademarks and your guarantee of quality. Swoosh, rights reserved, Nike Sportswear 1972. Love that. It's the double swoosh, as we know. I really liked it when they did this and then they stopped all of a sudden and did some funky other swooshes, but just bring back the double swoosh, man. And then we've got the zip pockets for once on a Nike tracksuit. That's a big thing, man. This brings it to like 1% of all Nike tracksuits. And we've got open hem. Amazing color, man. Like the khaki and then the kind of darker khaki, like olive. Amazing. Really like that. Nice lightweight joggers. Perfect for the summer. Then we've got the tracksuit top. Again, very rare to have with zips on the pockets. And then we've got different panels with different colors. And the same as the joggers, the little information literally matching the joggers, so I'm not going to read it out again. And then the double swoosh again matching the joggers. These clips, the reason I got these clips on is because when you unclip it, it's like kind of like a stand-up collar, and I really don't like stand-up collars. So what I do is I normally clip the collar down like that, or sometimes I use different clips. These were the only clips I had lying around at the time. Clip them so it bends and it kind of stays like that, and it kind of gets used to that. It doesn't stick up again. It's a small hack, but it's what I do. Then on the back we've got swoosh. Literally plain on the back, just the two khaki colors, but lightweight, 1010. I really love this tracksuit, man. Only if they did more colors. Nike, please do more colors. We need a black one, we need a grey one, we need an off-white one, we need all the colors, man. 1010 tracksuit, one of my favorites, definitely. White Air Forces on the bottom. You got yourself a good summer, nice casual summer fit. But yeah, let me know what you think of this one, people. Let me know if you hate it, let me know if you rate it, and make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe. Take care, my people.